And so when I met Deborah, I was one of those people that did not believe like any of the financial success could happen for me. It was so interesting as I started working the process with WealthyU. My mindset changed because as I started learning how to analyze stocks and adjust my portfolio, my 401k portfolio, I started to feel empowered, and it was interesting as I talked to the people. The Prudential was my 1k company. And the gentleman I talked to, he sounded like really surprised that I knew the information that I knew and how I wanted to change my investments and stuff like that. But that's just one part of the story. The other part that helped me change my mindset was I went from this person that had to buy things all the time to this thought process of wanting to own things.